Good morning, everyone. Here's your boy DJ Angel Production. Today I do have my tutorial how to make trap beat. Watch until the end of this video that you can hear, and I will show you everything I used within this instrumental. I made it yesterday and I decided to share the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. So it is not of any musician, so if you want it, just test me and subscribe to my channel that I will bring more tutorials related of this. So let us start with the drums. As you know, these types of beat is mostly for rappers, you know. So let us start with the drums without talking too much here. Okay, here are the drums. I downloaded my pack from you know, it's Lavish pack. You can download it, just Google on there, or maybe on the internet, Lavish, that you will find this one, this pack. And the drums, let us hear how the drums sound. You know, I had to make some changes here. As you see here, it is 2. To here it is 3. I had to come here and click make it unique and make some changes there. And after that, I had to draw the claps. Let us hear the claps here. Very simple. These are the hi-hats. As you see here, it is called the Lavish Smoke. This is the hi-hat which I used in this trap. And after that, I had to draw this melody. This melody, I used the Purity. Let us hear which preset I used here. Let me, okay. Here's a Purity. I used the take a blow, something like that. You know, when you're using this type of plugin, sometimes we have to add here this take blow and something else here. So let us hear how the melodies sound. Where the melody? You know, when you're making this type of beat, trap beat, you are not supposed to put a lot of things here. As you see, I left a little spaces here so that I can answer them later. So every beat that you will be making, even if it's a trap or a drill beat, you are supposed to let a little space so that you can answer them. So after I left this little space, I had to choose another one here. Let us hear. But after that, we have a clap which I used for the drums. You know, these types of beat is mostly made using the claps. Yeah, this is a clap. Let us. This is a clap. After the clap, I used also this one. So after that melody which I showed you here, that and I even told you that I left a little space so that I can answer later, I had to answer with this one. Here I used the flute from the plugin which is external plugin Purity. Very simple. And after that, I had to draw this one. You see, I left these little spaces here. It's because I was answering the first melodies which I showed you here. So let us play to hear how they are coordinating. Let us play this first melody which I showed you here, and with this melody down here to see if they are really coordinating. we are only using coordination. So after that, you know, there's a hurry. Okay, I don't know how to call it. This one, which dies boom, 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 boom. So let us hear how it sounds. So you know, I had to slide here. For example, there's a slide here. That's why it is called, it is dying. It is sliding. You know how to make it, but I'm only showing you how I made this instrumental. So if you want for me to start from the beginning to show you step by step how to make trap beats, just subscribe to my channel and share with your friends that I will be soon with another tutorials explaining from zero how to do these types of beats. So let us play again with the bass to see how, if they, to hear if they are real coordinating. So let us play the entire tutorial, and I also had to put some effect here like this. So if you download this pack, which is called the Lavish free drum kit, you will see everything which I used within this instrumental, and all of the plugins which I used here, they are native. They are not native plugins; they are external plugins. As you know, that plugin Purity, Purity is not of FL Studio. So let us play the entire tutorial to hear the melodies which I was playing isolated, how they sound together. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Here is your boy DJ Angel Production. For me, I will be here explaining you how to do these types of beat. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial.